What's up guys, this is Charmin here. I'm from EducatorSharmin YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter I have, so you can follow me there. So in this video I'm going to teach you physics chapter 6, that is effect of heat on matter. So what is heat, what is matter, what is the effect, how you measure the temperature, and how about Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin, how you use it, different type of uh, different type different type of scale used for measuring temperature. So in this video I'm going to ask you and I will show you how you find out the difference between Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit. So if you're interested, please continue watching. So what is heat? So heat is a kind of energy. So what is energy? Energy is ability to do work. That is energy. So heat is a kind of energy, and energy which is obtained due to molecular vibration. How? That is molecular vibration to a vibration or motion of a substance, that is called heat. So unit here joule. So the amount of heat energy required to increase the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius is called 1 calorie. So 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joule. 4.2. So guys, now you tell me, what is temperature? What is temperature? So it's a measure of average kinetic energy. What kind of energy? Kinetic energy. And that is, the temperature is thermal state which indicates whether an object absorb or reject heat when it comes in contact with another object. So now you tell me, what is thermometric properties of matter? Thermometric properties. What is thermometric properties? Any idea? Very difficult? No. I'm here to help you. So thermometric properties, that is to measure the temperature, special properties of special substance are used with the temperature, and measuring the change accurately. The temperature can be measured is called, that is thermometric property. And the property of a substance which is used to measure the temperature, that is called thermometric property. So mercury thermometer that measure our body temperature. So here I am just showing one that is the thermometer we use for our measuring our body temperature. That is, so before you do that, you just shake it. Why we shake it? Because here is a one substance, that is the chemical substance. When you use body, then you just go up, then you just read, you just check it, what's the temperature, your body temperature. So the conventional unit of temperature, that is Celsius, that is degree Celsius. So generally is you say that on this scale, at 1 atmospheric pressure and at the temperature at which ice melts is called 0 degrees Celsius. So at the temperature at which water boils is assumed to be 100 degrees Celsius. So that means whenever you have 100 degrees Celsius, that time water is boiling, and whenever 0 degrees Celsius, that time is ice. So guys, now I'm going to talk about what's the relation among different scales, that is the Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit scale. So what's the relation? So here is a temperature, that is the Celsius scale, minus 0 and divided by 100 minus 0, all right, equal, then equal, here is a temperature T, Kelvin minus 273.15, all right, and divided by 373.15 minus 273.15, that is the Kelvin and that is the Celsius temperature. So how about Fahrenheit? Fahrenheit temperature. So Fahrenheit scale, that is here is a Fahrenheit minus 32, and here is a 212 minus 32. So that is the relation among this. So now here is a Celsius. Celsius, if I subtract, so it will be same, right? 100, and this is also same 100. And how about this one here? Also, if I subtract, so it will be, so if I subtract, so it will be 100. All right, so how about this one? So it will be Fahrenheit minus 32, and here is a 180 if I subtract this one. All right, so this is a relation between Celsius, Kelvin, and Fahrenheit. So the readings of Kelvin, Fahrenheit scales with respect to Celsius scale. So Celsius scales will be respectively. So we just write like this. So we can write like this, that is Tc equal to Tk minus 273.15 degree. And we also write, so here is a Fahrenheit scale. So this is a formula you must remember, then you can figure out easily. Alright, I will do some exercise, it can help you to understand more. So here is a one question, that is, at which temperature are the readings in Celsius and Fahrenheit scales equal? So here is a Celsius and this is a Fahrenheit scale. So we just multiply 90C. So here is a 5, that is 5 TF, that is Fahrenheit, minus here is a 32 and 5 times. So if I calculate, then I can get the answer. So this is the temperature Celsius minus 40 degrees. So this is the temperature which shows minus 40 degrees Celsius. The same temperature also shows minus 40 degree Fahrenheit also. So this is the same question also. Another one, at which temperature are the readings in Kelvin and Fahrenheit scales are equal? So how will do it? So here is a Kelvin minus 273.15 degree equal to 5 divided by 9. Here is a Fahrenheit scale minus 32. This is the formula. If I calculate, then you can get the, so if I calculate, so we can find 574.59 degree. All right. So here is another same question. What is the temperature in Celsius if the temperature of a healthy body 98 degree Fahrenheit Celsius scale? So we need to figure out Celsius scale. So this is a formula, guys. Celsius scale formula. This formula we apply, and here is the Fahrenheit, that is our healthy body temperature 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. So we just write it and calculate. I will show it. So here is a 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, that is the healthy body temperature. So we just calculate, then we can get 36.89 degree Celsius. That is the nearly equal to 37 degrees Celsius. That is 37 degrees Celsius. That is the temperature in Celsius. So we can change it if we know the formula, we just apply it. And another question, at which temperature the reading is Celsius and Kelvin scale are equal? Never is right. Which temperature, that is never is the temperature reading scales are equal, that is the Celsius and Kelvin never equal. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you soon with another new video. Keep watching and keep practicing, and good luck your physics test. Thank you so much, guys.